So now we'll be back in Sharma. See?
Dubai.
Going to Dubai, sorry. We're going to Dubai. And our two guys, a big budir today. See, sitting. Very nice seat. See? With the up of the legs. Looks like I'm sitting in the house. So see? See, too much tired. Too much money. Too expense today.
Because too much
So-
work, that's why we are tired.
Yeah, see? So hot here right time. See? Look at that. So it's too much here in Saudi Arabia. Here in Tabuk.
This is my YouTuber.
Yeah, look at this. This is the going to Tabuk. Now it's done. Back to Sharma, but they pass by to Dubai for services. So then, the two guys, see? Very happy Shanto. Before he don't like to make a video because he don't like it now. Very nice, see? So very like it because it's full day relaxation. See? Wow. So yeah, that's why. See, they have a time because he's going to vacation of two guys. One is April 20 to Mr. Shanto, and April 25 Mr. Saif Ali Khan. Yeah. The one is pregnant is their side. One is not pregnant is the other side. Yeah. One is Bangladesh, one is from India. See? And one from Nepal, here the driver. Also the stomach, it's big bunch. And me too. Yeah. That's why me too. Yes. Hi. Okay guys, thank you. Bye bye. Yes.